can I do a warmed croissant, please?
Oh, we're actually out of butter croissant. Do you have Hannah's?
You guys have the crispy grilled cheese? No, that's all.
Okay, so I have the grilled cheese and I have the Braiding mango refresher lemonade. Just waiting on that grilled cheese.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem. You have a good day.
You too. So today I'm doing all of my maintenance for my trip. Not everything. I'm getting my nails and my wax today, and then tomorrow morning I'm getting my hair done. So that is what this video is going to be about. They had a sourdough grilled cheese at Starbucks. I heard sourdough is really good for you, so let's eat. Not bad.
Back to the crib, it ain't that sick. Yes, I did.
I love this show. Say hi. Hi. It's so stupid. You can't stop watching it.
And I don't think it's myself. Like, I hope I wasn't like that in high school because that's ridiculous.
No, that girl was wild. I'd be like, Davey, please.
Since who? Yeah, because I be thinking about it like, God forgive us. Do you know all the terrible stuff we do?
Yeah.
And He forgives us every day. So it's like, let me not be like that.
Yeah. They say money can't buy your love.
It's my fault. I know this is my fault. It's my fault. Alright, we just left our wax appointment. I'm feeling bald. Feeling great. I have a client at 4:30, so I have about an hour. I'm thinking probably just getting food and doing whatever other errands I had to do. So come along.
She wanted all alone. It's the simple things in life we forget. You hear her talking but don't hear what she said. Why do you make something so easy so complicated? Searching for what's right in front.
Oh, this too. Oh yeah, I'm vlogging. I vlog.
Down, I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Whoa. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the mark, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's all. I don't really know how to confess my...
So now we are doing my favorite part of the night, which is my skincare routine. I recently have stopped using makeup remover wipes and am now using cleansing balms. Just due to research, I heard that it's a lot better for your skin. So this is my first cleansing balm ever. And you guys, this got in my eyes. I was blind for like 2 minutes. I was actually really scared. So I may not be using this right, but I did feel very moisturized afterwards when I was washing my face. And I'm gonna do anything in my power to ensure I don't get wrinkles when I'm older. I may be 22, but we are fighting old age now. That's just how it works. So I'm just wiping my face off after washing it with a paper towel, and I applied some moisturizer, and now I am gua shaing a little bit just because I do this every night just to ensure that my face is remaining slim and depuffed. Now let's pack for my trip. So I found these packing cubes on Shein. I went on Amazon first, but I feel like Shein is trying to become Amazon. They were a lot cheaper on there. And if you are a type A personality like me, get you some packing cubes when you are packing. It made my life so much more organized, and the trip just went a lot smoother. I also got a jewelry box for myself, just a small little travel one, to make sure that everything was organized for the trip. So I found these on TikTok as well. These are travel perfume cases, and I think this is so smart. So I don't have to bring my full glass perfume bottles on the flight with me and have them get broken. I just get to bring these perfume cases and fill it up with all the scents that I wear for the trip. Another hack I have is if you have a lot of things to do, write it out on paper or sticky notes. Having it on your phone, especially someone like me, it's just easy to be distracted by other things that are going on. So I really love writing the things that I need to do on paper, on a sticky note, and having it in my face. But yes, we are all packed and ready to go. So I decided to blow dry my hair the day of my appointment. Not very smart, but we gotta do what we gotta do. So I'm using the Design Essentials line to protect and condition my hair while I blow dry. I use their shampoos and conditioners while in the shower, and I love this brand for my hair type. My curls are so healthy and bouncy after I use it, and I actually got this from the lady who does my silk presses, so I feel like they are salon grade products and my hair just eats this stuff up. A trick that I have for blow drying my hair fast is splitting it up into sections. I always split it up into 4s, and if I have time, I'll split it up into 6. My hair is very thick, so I have to get the middle of my head, so splitting my hair up into 4s is just the most ideal for me to get a nice blow dry. Okay, so it's 8:40. I have 20 minutes to go get some food. I really need some water and get my life together. Okay, you guys, so last stop is Braids. I only go to Lovely Braids when I'm in Tallahassee. She's also from Broward like me. I got the boho knotless braids with human hair curls, and this was my first time getting the style, and I really love the style on me. First off, when it comes to my girl, she is a perfectionist. Every time I get my braids by her, I never not get compliments. Like, the braids are always so clean, they're always the same size. So even when she takes, her time, I know it's because that she is a perfectionist. So we finished around 7:21, and I loved my hair, y'all. Like, she did such a good job. Like, so look how clean my hair looks. Like, so good. Love her down, yeah. So the only thing about this appointment was right after I had to hit the road and head home. So I did not get home until about 1 in the morning. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe as always. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.